Hello, hi guys, this is Mikram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to the Excel series. So let's get started. So as we know, we have covered the many things coming towards the monthly budget we have created on that, and then we have calculated the things by step by step with with numbers, with absolute cell references over here, and the relative cell references from here to here, from top to bottom. And then we have calculated the minimum value, maximum value, average and count with the same minimum function, maximum function, and average function and count function, and so on. We have done the auto sum from here. Then we have done with shortcut keys with alt and equal to, and then right now we are covering how we can do autofill with this type of function. We are copying the formula, and then we will be doing autofill command. We will be doing by autofill command. So this is very important because we have thousands of the cells and we have thousands of data. And example, if I have like 1 2 3 4, if this is the formula what I got, and this is all I know about, because from top to bottom I'm getting it, or left to right I'm getting the data, and I have to just copy the formula over here and then paste from, and then just do the autofill over here. We don't want to do paste from here, like I don't want to paste something over here. Like let's clear this first, and then, like, for example, delete this. Yeah, that'll take time. Yeah, it's not getting somewhat. Okay, extend this, then to this. That's it. So guys, you need to see, I'm copying this one. This seems to be formula. Like for example, this is auto sum formula, and I have thousands of cells to be perform the same formula. Then I need to go for copy this, paste this, and copy this and paste this. Instead of this, we just want to do something. Delete this all first. Let's come to this topic and then delete this all. Think what we require. Delete this and then delete this. Previously we are dealing with this, and let's auto sum this. How we need to do it? We can do alt equal plus equal to. That's it. We got the value, right? With one shortcut we got the complete total. That's great. But previously what we are going is we are copying this and then we are pasting the same formula over here and so on. If thousands of cells, that will take time, right? That is like time consuming. So what we can do over here is, at the right side of it we could see there is a plus sign down to the bottom of your formula cell. So just drag over here till here. That's it. That's it. So simple, you got it. This is what the autofill function is. Autofill command is just you need to drag and drop the function of the one cell till the end which you want, till that cell. That's it. Over here, let's do auto sum. Click alt plus equal to. Click on this once again. Alt plus equal to. Yes, we want from left to right. And click on enter. Yes, we got the value. Then just click from the top to bottom for you want the value. That's it. It's so simple. And if you want the same with the percentage, you can work on the percentage too. But keep in mind, regarding this, we are on the absolute cell references. If someone doesn't know what is absolute cell references, they can click on my videos or the topics on absolute cell references versus like the relative cell references. Delete this data, and we will be covering up. Just do alt plus equal to sign. Click on the time. Got it. Alt plus equal to. But we don't want the sum of E6 over here, right guys? We want the percentage. So how we will be calculating the percentage? We don't want the sum or so on, because we want the percentage. So first we need to do is equal to sign, then we are just calculating this by total spend, that is E6 divided by E11, but because we are following with absolute self references, we need to give dollar before and after it, after the cell number. Enter it. This is how you get the data for absolute cell references. Then you can just you got the one data of the formula, and then over here, that's it. You got it. You're done. Congratulations, guys. I hope you got it. You have done it. And you got about relative cell references, you got about absolute cell references, and then you have done so much of thing, automated the sum, then after that, so on. At last, you fill the autofill function with just drag and drop the thing towards the cell which you want till that. That's it, guys. Hope you got it for autofill function or autofill command. It's just a drag and drop of one cell from the top to bottom, up left to right, the value which you have calculated from the one cell. Apply to one cell the formula and then drag and drop from the right side of the down corner till the value of that cell you want. Thank you, guys. Hope you got it. And if you have any queries on this, you can comment me on the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.